In this video, we're going to demonstrate a very handy piece of software that will allow you to take a poll of your class in real time. Students are able to log on either to a Twitter account or to a web page, and they can actually vote. They can answer multiple choice questions. They can also submit short opinions to your website. So, what we do, I've already logged in, and I'm going to go to my polls. This website is called polleverywhere.com. And I'm going to create a new poll. And there's a couple of different ways of doing this. We can do a multiple choice, a free text poll, or a goal poll. All right. In this case, we're going to set a free text poll. And in this question, it might be something like, how do you think you might use this software? Question mark. You want to keep your questions very open-ended, all right? And we're going to save this as a poll. Now, what happens is it comes up to this screen. Now, this screen can be displayed on the board, and you ask the questions of a kid. The question might be something like, who do you think shows more bias, CNN, Fox, or MSNBC? All right. In this case, what you do is, if the students have access to a computer, they can log into their Twitter account, and simply all they have to do is they have to send a tweet to this site. Okay, the message has to be 73426. Now, one of the things I do need to do is I do need to enable Twitter. Okay, as you see right here. Okay? So, let's bring this up. I'm going to go to my Twitter page, and the number is @poll.73426. This might be useful to get opinions. Boom. All right, now let's go back to our page and see what happens. And of course, it does take a little time because what happens is it's searching Twitter and it's looking for the @poll symbol. This might be useful in getting opinions. So there you go. Another kind of poll you can do, and I've already created this one, is a multiple choice poll. So for instance, one of the ones I just thought of is like, do you think Huck Finn was a racist? All right. And one of the ways you can do this, again, I have to go over and I have to enable people to vote by Twitter. And I've already started this poll, and so I'm going to say the code is @poll73345. So go to Twitter, @POLL. I have to check, make sure I got the right number, 73345. And what does happen is this does eventually go back and checks out the Twitter responses, and eventually, if we're very, very, very lucky, it's going to refresh and it's going to update. There you go. All right, and it did in fact update. All right, so this is some way that you can get a very cheap way, okay, using the Linux machines we already have, to take like quick quizzes in class where you just get discussion and get information out of your students.